Hello students, let me continue with the second experiment, experiment number 2, which is a simple calculator, design of simple calculator. Actually, the aim of this experiment is to develop an Android application using controls like button, text view, edit text for designing a calculator having basic functionality like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Okay. Let me go towards the wiring diagram of this app. It's a simple calculator. I am having two edit text which is first number and second number entry points. Okay, those are edit text, and then whatever output or results are there, that is displayed in a text view. And for operations, I am adding 4 buttons like add, subtract, multiplication and division. Okay, there are 4 buttons to be added. Actually, number buttons also can be added, but this is a simple calculator first experiment. I can go on doing experiments on or a project on simple calculator itself, but I want you to execute this simplest of simple calculator first, and as the time permits, let us go ahead with further developments in this particular app. Okay, I hope you understood the wiring diagram. In your design, you want 2 edit text widgets and 1 text view and 4 buttons. That's all. Let us move ahead towards creating the project. Okay, I think you know how exactly to create project. You create a project called as simple calculator, and after this I will explain you in the project window itself, that is Android Studio project window itself. Let us go towards the Android Studio project. Okay students, I am there in Android Studio main window. Now I'm just removing the initial hello world. Okay, I'm just deleting it and making it clean design. Okay, yeah, nothing is there now, plain. Let me start. As I shown you the wiring diagram, we want some text views. Okay, first is go to text, and there I want edit text. Okay, I want edit text, and there actually I want number. I want number, so that I can use that for taking initial values, that means number 1 and number 2, and operate upon that. Okay, let me drop down this. Okay, this you can see it is identified as edit text. Okay, number decimal. The meaning of this is it is edit text and it accepts floating point numbers. Okay, floating point numbers, that decimal denotes that. Now I just give it edit text number 1. Okay, id edit text number 1. Okay, now let me constrain it with the parental outer window and keep it here. Okay, and to start with, I told you I given an ID, and then let me enter some hint here. Okay, enter first number, and for this project now I just go with hard coding. Okay, that means whatever text data you have to enter, I will be entering directly into the windows here. Later, wherever it is very much essential, you can pass the values through strings. Okay, otherwise hard coding I will go. Now hint I gave, let me change the size of the text. 18 sp is there, let me make it around 30. Okay, right, I made it 30. Now let me bring another. Okay, and then I just constrain it just constraint it, and this second whatever number is there, no, or the text box is there, no, I just constraint it with this, so that the distance between the first number and second number is fixed around 60 dp. I have set it. You can adjust it, right? Again, I give the ID for this. I just come out of this ID. As I told you, I just give here edit text number 2. Number 2. Okay. Now again I try to pass upon the hint. Search here for hint. Yeah. Enter second number. Okay, enter second number. I want to increase the size also, size of this text. Yeah, text size I will change around 30 sp. Right, everything is set now. Now these two are the numbers as an input on which you are operating. Now where the results should be shown, okay, for that I will be using text view actually. I will be using text view. Bring it here. Okay, and again I will constraint it, and this I will go and attach here, so that the second number becomes the parent for the results. Okay, now you see, if I move this, no, all will move. Meaning is very evident. The first number is parental, that box is parental for the second number box is parent for the third, like this. Okay, here 72 is there, let it be. Now again you have to give the ID for this. First let me give the ID text view. I just call it as text view result. What is the meaning of this? The meaning of this is I am showing the result on this text view. Now text view is set. I want to text here whatever is there, no, I will show it as result. And then size I will set around 36. Okay, better visibility, 36. Okay, now I brought three important things: first number data, second number data point, and output data point. Now for action I want buttons, isn't it? I want buttons, 4 buttons I want. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, I bought 4 buttons. Now again you have to constrain them. Let me constrain with the outer periphery. Right. Now this I will make it here 76. You can adjust it. 72. Okay, here 88. Now this, yeah, Okay then. Let me give all these buttons. Here 60, here 60, here 88, here 88. Hence, let me increase this to 88. Similarly, here 88. Right then. I set all the buttons. Now, button 1, actually, I will button add. I will give, okay, identification. Right, and then text is add. Okay, similarly button here, button 2 is the ID. I will call it as button subtract. Okay, similarly text whatever is there, no, I will enter here as subtract. Similarly third, button 3 ID is there. I will call it as button multiplication text. Okay, text whatever is there, no, I will make it as, call it as multiplication. And the last one, button 4, division, and here it is division. Okay then. Okay, I remove this constraint and then make it here. Right, and right, everything is set now. Let us go into action now. We have designed with the main layout, correct? Let us go into action where, okay, let us continue. Now I have come out with a design as per my requirement or wiring diagram. Now I should go into action or write the action because of the button clicks, correct? Now there are 4 buttons: add, subtract, multiply and division. First, I will add on-click methods. I will not go with on-click listener methods, but on-click methods, because of the simplest reason that when I click the add, subtract or these buttons, the result will come on my main window, not on any child window or anything. Hence, it is easy for me to design or write the Java code with on-click method, correct? Let me start with this. Yeah, I just, if you want to start with, no, you can just click on add and search for on-click, correct? On-click method. Yeah, now I have already added here add method. Okay, I just enter it. That red marking is there because I have not written yet the Java code. Come to subtract. On-click is already there in the search window. Here, subtract method. Okay, that is also not there yet to be written, correct? Multiply method. Now division method. Right now. Now all these on-click methods or attributes are added now into our XML code. I will show you code here now. I'm coming into code. Right. Now, if you come to buttons, here red marking is there, add method, because this button is added with on-click attribute, add method, correct? Now, I have to write corresponding function or method in Java code. We have not added that in the Java code, hence it is showing red marking. Come here, I have shown you what to do. Go with Alt Enter. It is asking create. Yes, create it. Now it has created, correct? In the Java program or main activity .java, it has created. Now let me come again, subtract method, Alt Enter. Yes, I want to create that. automatically created, correct? Now go again, subtract method is created there, multiply method, alt enter, multiply method also is written there. We have to write the coding, but it is created there. Now come back to last, division method associated with our button, divide button. Alt enter. Yeah, okay, then all the 4 methods are available. Now I have to write this method. I have told you in the last that is tasting toast app, I have given you detailed way. Now first thing is to relate the Java code or the whatever buttons, widgets, etc. are there in the activity or design. You need to relate it with the Java coding, correct? What all things we want? Actually, we want first edit text, correct? I want an edit text. Hence, start with that edit text. Okay. How many? 2 numbers. I will give number 1, comma, number 2. Okay, just naming. Then I want a text view, correct? Yeah, for what? Result display. I give the name of the variable as result display. I'm not bringing button into the action here, or button I don't want to relate, because of the simplest reason that I am not using on-click listener. If you are using on-click listener, then you have to use buttons here. Otherwise, that attribute I am using to write the function, correct? Now, I will come here. Then I have to relate the design boxes with these variables. That's all. Now, what is the meaning of number 1 in Java? Number 1 is equal to find view by id r dot id dot, yes, which one? Edit text number 1 with the id, correct? That is there in my design. Now number 1 which is there in Java get related with the box which is edit text number 1 id. That's all. Same procedure you have to follow for all. Number 2 is equal to find view by id r dot id dot, which one? Number 2. Hence, if you give the IDs very clearly, it becomes easy for you to program also. Now the third one, our result display. Is equal to find view by id text view result. Okay, here some type error is there, that's why. Okay, find view by id r dot id dot, which one? Edit text view result, correct? Text view result. Right, I have connected both design and Java objects. Okay, then now I have to write the functionality of each of them, isn't it? Functionality of each of them. Let me do it now. I have already created 4 methods or functions here. I will write function programs now. Okay, programs there. Very simple. Subtraction, division, or addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. Let me do that. Okay, I am there now to write the functions which are required. Okay, let me take 2 floating variables here in the local method. Float n1 is equal to, okay, now here float n1 whatever is there, no, that I will take from where? From number 1. Okay, hence that text whatever or string whatever is there, no, I have to convert it to or pass into float. That's what I am doing now. Dot get text to string. From get text method I am using I am getting the text, and from there I will convert into string, and from parse float method I will convert it into float. That's all. Now float n2 is equal to float dot parse float, and then number 2 I am just taking dot get text to string. Yeah, I got both numbers. Now they are in the floating point, or floating, they are now floating numbers. Now result is equal to this is a floating number, correct? I will just float result is equal to what now? N1 plus N2, that's all. N1 plus N2. I got the result. Now I have to display that, correct? Where I will display? I will just display that in the text view, isn't it? Hence just we will make use of that. Result display dot set text. Set text, what to display? That should come now. I have to display the result or the floating, but easiest way to convert that into string is string concatenation, isn't it? Plus result, right? I got my result to display. This is the floating point, but because of the string concatenation here, it is converted into string, correct? Okay, then I have written the first method, that is add method. Let me copy down this and put it into subtract, control V, and here simply I will change to minus, correct? Similarly, control V here, I will just convert this into multiplication, right? Multiply method. Last, okay, control V, here I am doing division, right? My Java program is completed, correct? I just see here what I have done. Okay, taken two floating local variables here for add method, and then converted those strings from number 1, which is read from edit text, and passed into floats, and then did whatever I want. I hope you got. Let me run this program into your mobile or into our mobile, and then see the results. Okay, no errors as such. I hope you got this simple. I have done it, I kept it very simple, but we have to improve it. Let me go to app 2 later. Within this week, if possible, I will do that. But otherwise, this initial whatever simple calculator is there, you should execute and show me the results. Okay, thank you then.